Welcome to Telecom Solutions. In today's business world, flexibility and reliability are key. Your phone system should empower your team, whether they're in the office, at home, or out on the road. That's why 3CX is not just any phone system. It's a future-ready solution designed for the dynamic needs of your workforce. Let us guide you through what makes 3CX one of the most cost-effective and robust remote business systems available today. What is 3CX? Think of 3CX as your complete communication platform. It's packed with all the traditional features you expect: call transfers, hold music, voicemail, but it's the cutting-edge remote capabilities that set it apart. Whether you have a hybrid workforce, remote workers, or multiple office locations, 3CX allows you to stay connected effortlessly. You aren't bound to a desk, and your business is never limited by location. Key considerations for your business. Here are some questions to help you decide if 3CX is the right fit for your business. Do you have a large number of remote workers? If your business relies on a team spread across different locations, sales reps on the road, delivery drivers, remote staff, then 3CX should be at the top of your list. With 3CX, their extension goes wherever they go, ensuring seamless communication. What devices are required? 3CX is all about flexibility. You don't need to invest in costly desk phones unless you want to. Employees can use their mobile phones, laptops, or tablets to access their company extension. And here's the best part: multiple devices can be used by a single user without increasing your license costs. For laptop users, we recommend using a quality headset for the best experience. By going mobile, you'll save significantly on desk phone hardware costs. But the choice is entirely up to you: desk phone, mobile device, or both. Connectivity and internet considerations. Let's talk about the importance of a good internet connection. What about phone lines and internet? For any VoIP system, including 3CX, a reliable internet connection is crucial. If your office uses Wi-Fi, ensure you have strong coverage, especially for voice. It's important to note that Wi-Fi is not the internet itself, but rather a wireless connection to your network. For remote users, an LTE-capable mobile device will be necessary, but most modern mobile phones are already equipped with this technology. Important tip: for optimal performance, fiber internet is highly recommended. If you don't have it, Telecom Solutions can help you upgrade to business-grade fiber to ensure smooth, uninterrupted communication. Easy installation process. Now, how quickly can you get up and running with 3CX? How long does it take to install? With 3CX's app-based setup, you can have a fully functional phone system within 24 hours. No need for on-site technicians or complex installations. Simply scan a QR code sent via email, and your company extension is live on your mobile device. Desk phone installation. If you prefer using desk phones, installation can be completed in less than 5 working days, depending on your existing cabling. Wireless options and IP phones. Whether you prefer desk phones or want a completely wireless setup, 3CX has you covered. What IP phones equipment is required? If you're sticking with office IP phones, Telecom Solutions can provide the best options at competitive prices. Already have IP phones? Let us know the make and model, and we'll advise you on compatibility. Can we go fully wireless? Absolutely. In smaller offices, going completely wireless is straightforward. For larger spaces or multi-story buildings, Wi-Fi signal strength becomes more critical. Standard Wi-Fi setups are often not designed with voice services in mind, but that's where our expertise comes in. With Wi-Fi 6 and soon Wi-Fi 7, your network can be optimized for both voice and video communication. The key to wireless success: strong Wi-Fi signal coverage. Our team can evaluate your site and recommend the best setup. Mobile data usage for remote workers. And what happens when there's no Wi-Fi available? Out of office? No Wi-Fi? No problem. Your calls will switch to mobile data, but don't worry, VoIP calls use minimal data. For example, a 10-user office with moderate phone use will typically consume only 2 gigabytes of data per month. You can expect about 10 hours of talk time to use just 300 megabytes of mobile data, making 3CX a cost-effective solution even on the go. Licensing and costs. Let's talk numbers. How much does 3CX cost? Licensing costs. Unlike other systems, 3CX licensing is not billed per user or device. It's based on the number of simultaneous calls. For example, a typical office with 10 users might start with 4 simultaneous call licenses, allowing 4 people to be on a call at once. The system can scale to accommodate hundreds of calls if needed. Licenses are renewed annually, so be sure to clarify whether your quote includes the following year's renewal. Hosting options. Finally, should you host 3CX on-site or in the cloud? On-site versus cloud hosting. At Telecom Solutions, we recommend hosted 3CX environments for their reliability and ease of management. This eliminates the need for local hardware and IT maintenance, ensuring that your system runs smoothly with minimal hassle. Our hosted 3CX solutions include the annual license, server hosting, and basic management. Exclusive offer for existing 3CX users. If you're already using 3CX with another provider, why not consider switching to Telecom Solutions? We offer a no setup cost migration if you already have an existing license. Plus, depending on the size of your system, we'll subsidize up to 25% of your first-year license. Our goal is to provide not only a seamless transition, but also cost savings, all while delivering superior service. At Telecom Solutions, our 3CX packages are designed to give you the best value for money, starting at just 499 rands per month for up to 10 users. This includes hosting, license renewal, and full system management. Save time, reduce costs, and ensure your business communication is always connected, no matter where your team is. Call us today to set up your 3CX system and be fully operational within 24 hours. Reliable communication without the fuss. At Telecom Solutions, we've specialized in VoIP since 2012, providing integrated solutions you can trust. Visit us at www.telecomsolutions.co.za or email info@telecomsolutions.co.za to get started, because dependable service and seamless integration are just a call away.